Transfer dollar from Bitget to Binance. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer dollar or USD from Bitget to Binance on PC. Now, actually, there is no direct way to send a currency of your country from Bitget to Binance, but I have this method to you can be able to transfer your currency or dollar from Bitget to Binance. Now let's go to explain how. So first of all, make sure you are logged into your Bitget account. Now as you can see, head over to wallet icon. Now after that, click on asset overview, and from the sidebar here, click on spot. Now after that, go to withdrawal and click on withdrawal. Now as you can see, select USDT. Now here below withdrawal 2, make sure to select on chain. Now here make sure to select BSC because you will pay no fees. It's free to transfer USDT from Bitget to Binance. Now after you select the network, now you need to get your Binance address. Now go to Binance and make sure you log into your account. Now click on deposit, and after that click on deposit crypto to get your Binance address. Now after that select USDT as I selected or as you selected here in Bitget. Now the network selected the same BSC and make sure you selected the same here. Now after that copy the address and go back to Bitget. Now paste it here and click on next. Now after that make sure or enter how much of USDT you want to send from your Bitget to your Binance. So as you can see, the fees is free. You can you pay $0 for fee and you will receive $100 on your Binance. Now how to be able to get the dollar on your Binance. So after you receive the USDT on your Binance, now we need to sell those USDTs to be able to receive dollar. Now how to do it? Just head over to trade and click on P2P. Now as you can see here, make sure you select sell, not select buy, select sell. Now after that select the currency that you want to receive select USD. From there we select USD. Now the payments, you can select the payment method that you want. Now just make the payment that you want. For me, I will just bank transfer. Now after that you can now choose one of these advertisers to sell your USDT to. Now after you select one of them, click on sell USDT. Now after that make sure you read all of the instructions of this advertiser and here how much of USDT you want to sell. Because I received 100 USDT, I will click on 100, and as you can see you will receive $USD. So you can implement this method to any of currency of your country. Now after that click on payment. I will go back. Now after that set your payment method. Now click on bank transfer. Now after that fill all of the information of your bank, and after that click on confirm, and after you click on confirm and add your bank, now you can sell your USDT and receive the dollar. So this is how to send dollar from Bitget to Binance. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.